Hi, Buck and Bowl fans, and welcome to BBTV Weekly Buck and Bowl Report Daily NFR Bull Riding Update. Brought to you by General Steel Buildings. For all of your steel building needs, call a construction expert at 877-825-8943. 2 days in the books, round one, feeling healthy off an injury-plagued career and season. Texas Cowboy Trey Benton III comes out on top as VJV Whiskey Hand spins to the right into TB3's hand for an 88.5-point effort to win the round. TB3 takes us through the ride.
I've been here a few times now, and last year was the first year that I actually felt like I felt my place. And I was pretty nervous that first round last year, and I ended up pulling through. And then this year, man, I was just like, run them under me. Let's get it. I was tired of waiting around.
7 qualified rides as TB3 fires the engines for $26,230. Round 2. When the chips are down, this Utah bull rider always seems to come up with a winning hand. Joe Frost with that Lane Frost pedigree, an electric 90-pointer on Powder River Rodeo's Misfire. Certainly no misfire here. Here's Joe's ride-along.
You can't ask a bull to buck any better than that one, and I never felt like I ever really had him. I was really having to hustle the whole time, really getting steep, a lot of kick and drop, and most of the time my knees are up on his back, just kind of trying to keep him getting brought down over his head, and he finally brought me there right after the whistle, and I slowed down a little bit.
Only 3 qualified rides tonight ups the ante for Frost with 33,564 chips. After 2 rounds in the aggregate, Frosty 2 for 2 with 177 points, 2 for 2, 168.5 for Chase Dougherty, and 88.5 for TB3 off his round 1 win. Real-time world standings after 2. Join us tomorrow for a round 3 recap. Until then, for BBTV and General Steel Buildings, this has been Jeff Bressler.